Hi greeters, welcome to this video. Today we'll be doing page 132. You are given the front view as well as your top view here, and we'll be drawing this object in perspective. So first things, I'm going to get my vanishing point by extending the SP up to the horizon line and immediately label it VP to show that it's the vanishing point. Then from there, I'm going to move this drawing here. I'm going to draw it in construction. And bring these ones down. And these two. Those hidden details. Not going to project them. I'm just going to align. Then I will draw them simply on this side. I'm just trying to reduce as many lines as I can. So this is this view just moved here in construction. And as I've mentioned, for this one and these two, I just aligned them. I didn't want to have too many lines. So that's why we just didn't project them all the way down. Then from there now, we're going to project to the vanishing point so that we can get started with the drawing. I'm going to start with the base first. The point for the base, it's these ones, these are the ones that I'm going to take to the SP. They are the ones that I'm going to take to the SP, then bring them straight down. So first off, these two. And I'll get these two. Where they will meet with that line, that's where I'm going to get started with my drawing. So here, then on this side, and I can be able to join them and then have my starting point there. Let me zoom in a little. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine. So be starting here and here. Then I'm gonna bring these two as well so that I can fill this little hole here. And I'm going to project them down, project them down. Then I'm going to take these two as well, there. Where they meet with this line, I'm going to have points. So this one will be a point here, meets with this one, and this one, when it meets with this one, I should also have a point. Weekly, I can join that point like that, and then same thing for these two. Points should be in line with each other, like that. So let me outline what I have so far. Because now I'm starting to have too many lines, and it's important to see what we have so far. So this is what we have, which is basically just this piece. Now we want to get inside to get this little hole. So for the hole, let me zoom in. For the hole, we're now going to be focusing on these 3 points here. We need to take them. This one, we've already taken it to get this one. So we need these two. Then we have a point here. It meets with that one. Then another one. There. And then these points, you can just transfer them to the other side. There's really no need for you to be measuring them again. Then once you have them, you can outline them. So we have just done this piece, which is this one right here. So we are done with this piece. We still need to obviously show it like it shows in the top, but we will get to that later on. So we'll now try to get the height of the object. I'm just going to zoom out so that you can be able to see the top view. So I'm getting this side, align it so it's this line. I will just take it to this PE line and bring it down where it's touching the picture plane. Then this is where I'm going to go up for my height. So in order for us to know where to, we're taking the corner that we drew in construction, this one. We're going to take it there, but as you can see, there's a line already passing there. So that means my point is here and my other point is here. And I can immediately outline those points. You almost made a huge mistake. This is the point that you need to align with this piece. You go down, and it will be the one that's giving us the thickness of side, which is here. This mistake was going to be costly. Outline my line here. And then let's come all the way down. So this is now. And then for the other side, I'm taking this one to the SP. There. Then I'm going to project these 2 points to that line. And then I will outline this front one. The back one will remain in construction because we need to still show this part, and it might, we can already see that it's going to overlap and hide that piece that's at the back. And I'm just going to project this point down to here. Then we're going to need just that showing from here to here, which is basically this piece here on both sides. So that point is this one here. So we're going to, we already have the one side which intersects this line here. Now we need this one to intersect this other line there. It's going to look like that. And the other side as well, which is these 2 points here. The vanishing point. And this one as well. If this one has already went. So let's see, it's going to be intersecting here. So let's just make sure that we have the correct width. Not too long. And this one it's already there. Then for how we're closing it off, we are using the top part first. So you're going to take this corner here, this corner on this side, and take it there, and you can see that it's intersecting this line here. So I'm just going to take it across. Then I put one in this quickly. So just like I closed here, I'm going to close as well on this side. That then we can start showing the depth of this hole here, because we already have these points going across. We just need to get the depth on the top here. So these ones are on the same line as this. So where we projected our line, we are now going to have a point. With this one, we are looking at these 2 points. And then we can just project this across. And this one down. Bring it down and project across to it like that. We will have to open this bit here with one and these two. Let's close up this one. So like that. So that's how our hole looks. Then we would want to now get also the depth of this one. That's basically inside here. To going to align at this P. Then we now must intersect on this line since they are sharing here. And that's where it's going to be. I can then outline that little bit. And then also outline the first. And I can just join it here. And then join it there as well. Then that's how we have the depth of this. Now for this top part, we're going to get these points first, this top point first, that are the areas where we're going to use this part. So we're going to use the construction points, these two ones that we did in construction are the ones that we're going to take to the VP. Then we're going to get our points. So these 2 points, we're going to start with them because they are one is line. They are sharing that point, which is this line. So where they touch that line, I'm going to a point. So I'm taking the first one to SP, second one. Then I'm going to bring it here. That's the first one. I'm going to bring it here. It's the second one on the same line. Same thing for this line. We have these two here. This one is in line with this line here. Yeah. Then second one. Actually, we need to join the points and outline them. This. Then for these ones here, this one, we're now going to bring this SP in down. Where this point is going to intersect that line, we're going to have a point. So there, just align it properly. Where is the point? Make sure that it's in line. So where are they intersecting? They're intersecting right here. So we'll bring this hood down. So the back one won't be visible, so there's no need to connect. Then for these two as well as P, then this space here. I'm not sure how come this one has space. It doesn't have space. Let me try this side and see if it's still gonna be the same. So this one to SP. Insert down. Then once it is done, I must take this point to the right key. And then let's do it right again. Need to need it here, section here, align isn't so the emitter is point this one here. Let me project this point to the other side. Just makes more sense because it needs to be out a little bit of space. So I'm going to just erase it. You're supposed to leave off some space here. So it's going to be reachable. I'm going to have a port, and on the same line, I'm going to bring that back one way. So you can see it's sitting directly on that line with the brightness it should. Then I can outline this. So just keep in mind that there is space here. And just erase this. Here, and then I can finally outline the missiles and what I would left of the cards. Is this one? Yeah. So let me check if I've answered everything. I'm just trying to zoom in for you to see the lines and everything. I just want to check as well on my side. Yeah, I believe this is the drawing completed. If I missed something, I apologize. But this is your page 32 completed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to assist you in answering this page. I will definitely be seeing you on the next one. Bye.